Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you guys. Going to be talking to you about Say. Listen, I'm going to be honest with you. I know things are going a little bit wacko in the market right now, but that's not really any of our concerns. But remember, whatever we say on the channel is not financial advice. However, if you like what you see today, we just ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. We are growing, and we just ask you to grow with us. Speaking of growing, let's understand one thing that from this point on, Say is probably just going to do nothing but go up. Um, at this moment, we've dealt with something where we had some volatility in the market, had another, how can I say, declaration of trade war, so to speak. But that is really not going to be affecting Say at all as far as the sound fundamentals of Say. So we need to go to the fundamentally sound crypto and just go ahead and start looking at those right away. So that's what we're going to be doing today with Say. Like I said before, whatever we say is not financial advice. However, we're going to give you some good information today. Now, let's go ahead and look at it very quickly. Notice right here that Say is down by 20% currently. Not a big deal, not something that we're worried about. In crypto, that's like every other day, right? So right here for the 7 days, Say is down 22%. For the month, let's see how Say is faring. Say is down 30%. For the year, Say is down like 46%. All of this is great because of the fact that because of the fundamentals, because Say is currently moving as it is, as far as like being the fastest Ethereum uh, virtual machine blockchain, um, currently Say is doing fantastic. So down for the year, let's see overall, Say is way up overall, up almost 3,000%. So what you got to understand is that from where it began, Say is a lot further up. Now let's go ahead and look a little bit further in to take a look at these markets. Do not forget that Say is on Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, Upbit, Bidget, Gate, IO. We got what Mexi, KuCoin, etc., etc. So automatically Say is already in the top 100 as far as cryptos. Say is moving pretty well. Market cap for Say is just a little bit over a billion at 1.39 billion. Really got a long ways to run. So we're not concerned about the growth of Say. We know that Say is going to be growing by leaps and bounds. But the main thing is we want to look at some fundamentals real quick and want to see exactly what is going on with the crypto currently. Now, let's go ahead and set a scene in the overall market. Understand that the market cap is down from what it was before. Market cap is now at 3.73 trillion. Fear and greed, we're in fear because of the supposed tariffs that are going to be happening in trade. But one of the things we have to understand as investors that this is the opportunity where we see a disaster like this, we have to make a move. And I don't want to say disaster per se, but anytime we see something that is a disadvantage, we want to take advantage. Some of you guys know exactly what I'm talking about because you'll be able to buy certain dips at the moment that other people are not seeing. And one of those I want you to see very quickly here is Say. Even though Say is down to like 22 cents, it's not really that far down from where it was before. So keep in mind that Say is, even though it dropped like 20%, is kind of like in the range that we wanted to be in. But also for some people who are dollar cost averaging, now that Say is maybe below 25 cents or so, maybe that'll give you an opportunity to do that. Now, go ahead and take a look at the Bitcoin dominance that we see right here. We have 59.4%. Ethereum is still in double digits at 12.3%, even though it went down. I want you to understand that the fundamentals have not changed in the market. Ethereum still in double digits. Bitcoin, yes, is starting to dominate a little bit more, but at the same time, things are not over as of yet. So let's go ahead and look a bit more at Say, talking about Say as far as X, also currently known as Twitter, giving us a little bit of information here, talking about the fastest layer one blockchain high performance rails for digital asset markets. And so one of the things we want to look at is says from private credit to treasuries to stable coins to money markets and everything in between. This is what Say is doing. Everything moves faster on Say. And that's why Say is getting in such high demand, because of the fact that you have so many different forms of information that are able to move more quickly and more efficiently. Now, take a look at this also. It's talking about Apollo, BlackRock, Revan Howard says as tokenization takes over global finance, institutions are aligning around the need for global scale development. Says institutions move faster on Say. And so was this Revan Howard and Apollo. Says there was Solana, Hyperliquid, Ethereum, and then Say. It says Say is now the fourth ranked ecosystem by TVL, total value lock efficiency, the rate of borrow lend activity to total value lock. Says signaling its emergence as a mature, capital efficient ecosystem. In other words, Say is definitely on the rise. So keep that in mind as we go forward. Circle and Say, as it says right here as well, have long shared a vision, seamless, instant global settlement. That vision is now live at Circle Gateway on Say, brings chain abstracted USDC and frictionless liquidity to the settlement layer built for global scale. USDC moves greater on Say. Also, one of the things I want to encourage us about is that even with the almighty dollar, now that the dollar is in forms of USDC and USDT, the dollar will still be in demand, especially in the world of crypto. So do not expect the dollar to collapse, as a lot of people are saying. That is not really true. You may have a weakening of the dollar, which sometimes certain individuals would also like anyways, as far as economics. But at the same time, do not think for 1 second that the dollar is doing any collapsing. You will hear videos like that and you see them, but don't believe it. Understand that although things are not what they once were, as far as being on the quote gold standard, we still have standards, and we're not going to see an immediately, how can I say, immediate fall or anything of that nature. Now, so it's also talking about Circle. Circle Gateway is now available on Hyper EVM, so something to consider there. Circle and Say are very closely tied in, and right here it says just in BlackRock and Revan Howard tokenized funds have launched on Say Network via Kaio's institutional grade RWA infrastructure. So keep in mind, nothing is bigger than BlackRock. Nothing. BlackRock is the largest, how can I say, investment institution in the world, not just one country, but in the world. So nothing is bigger than BlackRock as far as like companies go. Consider that and understand that now Say is partnering with BlackRock. That is like the biggest compliment in that we can ever get in history, period. Fastest layer one EVM blockchain, going to the official site. Don't forget that Say is tied in with the following giants of crypto: Coinbase, Circle, Jump, Multicoin Capital, GSR, and HRT. So Say is moving very well. Right here, time to finality for Say, very, very quick, 400 milliseconds. We got your gigagas per second here, and we got your 200,000 transactions per second. This is insane. This is one of the reasons why that Say is getting so much, how can I say, attraction as far as demand, because of the fact that it's so fundamentally sound. Let's go ahead and move a little bit further, talking about next generation apps on Say. Let's see. I'm just looking at the wallets right now. I could have been looking at a lot of other things as well. Maybe we'll look at some gaming also. But don't forget, you got the Binance wallet. What's this? BitGo, Bidget, Coinbase wallet, Coinbase custody, Crypto.com. Got several other wallets as well. Got the Math wallet. You got the OKX wallet. A lot of different things. MetaMask. What else are we looking at here? A little bit of everything. But all of these wallets, Tangent, a lot of these wallets are going to be extremely important, but Say is part of them all. You can put your Say on each and every one of these wallets. Let's go to gaming for a little bit. And notice that you have a ton of games that are on Say. I'm not going to be able to shout out all the different companies, but one thing you can see, there is a nice list here of gaming companies. The reason why there is such a nice list, and let me go view more. The reason why is because of the fact that there is such a demand for high speed in gaming. Some of you who are into games know exactly what I'm talking about. And when you have that high speed, it can't be replaced. So if you have, say, moving as efficiently as it does, you're going to have some great things occur. So let's go ahead and go a little bit more into, say here, talking about how the coin targets a $2 breakout as analysts project 800% upside in an ongoing bull cycle. What are the things I want you guys to do and I want you to focus on? Don't focus on the bad. Focus on what's going to happen and focus on the fact that say is going to be on the way up and that now that it is in such demand. And also, to be honest with you, now that BlackRock has taken a strong interest in it, you will definitely see say moving up in, sometime soon. Say Cryptos has re-entered the spotlight after strong technical signals and accumulation patterns hinted at a potential long-term rally. Analysts note that the token has already delivered a 140% gain from earlier accumulation zones and could be on a course for an 800% breakout if bullish continuation patterns hold. Current setups show the crypto consolidating above critical support. So keep that in mind. You got a lot going on with Save, but most of it is extremely positive. Moving a little bit further, talking about BlackRock once again. This is going to be from 99 Bitcoins. It says BlackRock crypto hits warp speed as Kyo expands to the Say network. So the walls between Wall Street and DeFi keep thinning. Kyo says, backed by Brevin Howard and BlackRock crypto, is deploying over, what's this, $200 million in tokenized fund strategies onto the Say network. One of the clearest signs yet that real world asset tokenization is slowly materializing. Say it's a push into the big leagues. You hear that? On-chain finance, and for Kyo's clients, it's a new path to move traditional capital into DeFi without leaving the guardrails of compliance behind. So keep this in mind right here. And as you see the partnership between BlackRock Crypto and Say, BlackRock Crypto is becoming a major part of the Say. So that's going to be incredible. One more article here. This is from Corn Speaker. This is where the analyst is talking about Say is preparing for a massive bull run, similar to SUI. So this is what we're going to be seeing here. Say has been in a downtrend over the past year, but its price chart now shows similarities with SUI, triggering expectations of a rally. And I want to point this out, guys, and wrap this video. One of the things we got to understand is when we see a rally about to occur, especially a rally this nice, with the amount of consolidation that we've seen over time. And let me look at the year chart. Yeah, the amount of consolidation that we've seen over time. And this was like what, last year in December. Everybody pretty much is already aware of how things went extremely well last year, December. Also, don't forget that Say has never seen a full bull market. This is the absolute first time that you're going to get the chance to see Say move to the upside because of the fact that it's such a young crypto. But guess what? It is also the fastest EVM, Ethereum virtual machine crypto out there, hands down, point blank, period. So do not forget about that. Don't forget that Say is really on the move and is going to be doing extremely well. Guys, don't allow yourself to be fooled by any of the panicking. Go with the fundamentals and go with Say. Say is definitely going to be on the move in a great way. And because of the fact that Say is in such demand, one thing I will say about whale institution and whale investors, now that Say is tied in with BlackRock and other big boys who will not fail, period, we know that Say is going to be on the way up. So when they go up, Say is going to go up. It's our real life investing. Want something fundamentally sound, something to hold on right now in the midst of all of this chaos that you see, go with Say and you won't go wrong. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.